I'm now studying at Aalto University in Finland, and now I'm doing my internship in Barcelona. So I am now studying international business at Aalto University, and I'm waiting for my next exchange in Canada. During this time, I'm thinking about why not taking an internship somewhere in Europe. And now I end up here in Barcelona. It's a very nice city, and this is what I'm looking for, that to have an internship that help me to travel to a different country in Europe and spend some time here with the culture, with the people, and also learn some more skill in marketing and international business. That's what I'm trying to learn and focus more in the future. So I will go visit the city around, maybe some place in my plans, and then I go to the office around 2 p.m. and go to do some social media tasks, talk with other interns from different countries, and also meet some new interns. We have new interns almost every day, and that's a kind of typical day. If I have any question, I will go ask the mentor. Yeah, that's a kind of typical day. So my advice for future interns, this can be a perfect place for you. Barcelona has many sightseeing places, and I can't wait to explore more of it. But you should also come here to make friends. You can learn a lot from other international interns here because they have different backgrounds and come from different countries with different experience that you can learn from. And if you have questions, and you need to be willing to go ask the mentor or other intern. They can help you. And what more can I say? Enjoy the internship.